4 years, with a team, we've been working to make oral surgery as comfortable as possible. There is a reason you're watching this video. You might need wisdom teeth removed, tooth replacement with dental implants, denture surgery, or the simple extraction of a tender and broken tooth. Hello, I'm Dr. Kotlarek. This dental practice is equipped to provide efficient treatment, minimize discomfort, and most importantly, a short and comfortable recovery period. Roman Dental is technologically driven for precisely planned outcomes. Although we focus on the use of digital technologies and modern techniques to deliver great results, here it's the talented and caring people that make this a special place. We all love to help. I love to help. If you're in need of dental care, call today or 24/7, book online. We're here, we're available for you, and you certainly deserve dental health.